Something is happening right now, like I said earlier. Banana HighLand life in Port Harcourt. There is a time to pay and there is a time to play. This is the time to pay, and it is better to pay now so that you can play tomorrow. The period of payment is a period of sacrifice. I urge you to please make that sacrifice now so that you don't regret tomorrow. A lot of people are regretting because money in your hands is not guaranteed. They wish they could turn the hand of the clock when Odili Road was going for 2 million, 3 million naira. But today, Gulf State and Odili Road is 50, 60 million naira. I am pleading, please come and invest in Banana HighLand for the sake of your children and for the sake of yourself so that you can play tomorrow.
You have heard it all from the mouth of the CEO of Mercy Homes and Properties. What are you waiting for? Right now, he's selling for just 6 million naira only. I promise you, before this year runs out, you cannot get this land for 10 million naira. What are you waiting for? Just call us sharply. You can visit our office at number 181 Peter Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. Wherever you are and you are listening to us, we are located in Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. If you are listening to us from USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Malaysia, wherever you are, just put a call to us. If you cannot come to the office, you call us. Our number is always here, 090342965119. And they will take you for inspection and you collect your land. You need to connect and get this land for the sake of yourself and your children and the generation to come.
Thank you.
God bless you.